Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So today I'm gonna see if my little homemade sandblaster that I made a few months ago can handle this rusty crusty old axle. This is like a 15-year-old 3/4 ton axle, and as you can see it is severely rusted bad. And my brother bought this actually. He's doing some work on his old 05 GMC, and I'm gonna see if I can get this thing cleaned up for him. So I don't know if my little sandblaster will be able to handle this or not. It's gonna be a really good test for it. So let's get this thing fired up and see what it'll do. All right, so my camera card filled up and I didn't realize it, but I just wanted to show you what I've got going so far. It is knocking that big chunky rust right off of there. So far, so good. All right, I got that thing cleaned up nicely. So on the top of this pumpkin, I mean, like you can see here, there's a little spot that I missed. That's like 3/16 of rust built up on there. Just an insane amount of rust. And that little sandblaster does an amazing job. Every time I use that thing, I'm always impressed by how well it works. He's gonna take these, put all new brakes and everything on, so I didn't mess with anything down there as far as the you know, the calipers and hubs and all that, because he's going to take that off his old truck. So that is 100% better. So if you guys are interested at all, I made a video on how I built this little sandblaster. I'll leave a link below, or you know, something up at the top of this video so you can click on it and check it out. But that thing works amazingly well, and you know, for stuff like this, I don't know what it would cost to send that out and have somebody professionally sandblast it, but I'm sure it would be, I don't know. I spent about $30 worth of sand, so I know it would cost a whole lot more than $30 to have that sandblasted. So we'll get a coat of primer on that, and then he's going to pick it up and he can get it switched out. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Do me a favor, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.